Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you a freelancer? Are you tired of working on a freelance website that charge high, like you doing a gig of $100, and the amount you received in your bank account is $60, which means $40 have been charged for transaction fees? Or are you searching for freelance website that require no PayPal, or searching for a freelance websites that can pay directly to your bank account? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to share with you guys similar websites like Fiverr and Upwork you can sign up for as freelancer, and make money in Nigeria. Today, I will share with you guys 4 freelance platforms that pay directly to your bank account. Before we get started, do yourself a favor, subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell, so I will notify you whenever I have a new strategy to make money online. Let me quickly tell you guys this, I am working on a video, on how you can earn $10 per referral, and I bet, you don't wanna miss this. Subscribe and turn on notification bell, so you gonna be the first person to use it and make the most money. Now, let's get started. Open a new tab. Number 1, type Freelancer, click on Enter button. Click on the first link right here. You gonna see a page like this displaying find services for your business. This a freelance platform that pay directly to your bank account. So many freelancer come here, to do a gig like this, people offering to perform a service for a specific amount that will be paid directly to your bank account. You can see there are so many people listing their skills right here. To join them and start making money, just come right here, click on sign up button, fill in your details, and click create account. Number 2, open a new tab, type just from 5K, click on the first link, it gonna load and display, what service do you need? Here, as a freelancer, come here to start bidding, let's scroll down, you can see, there are so many categories, you can bid for and start making money directly to your bank account. Just come right here, click on sign up button, fill in your details, and click on register. Number 3, open a new tab, type Freelancer, click on enter button, click on the first link, it gonna load. You can see this a freelance platform that pays directly to bank account. Just type what you are looking for here, let's say graphics, and click on search button. Firstly, come here, click on sign up button, fill in your details, and click on register button. Number 4, open a new tab, type find worka, click on enter button, click on the first link right here, it gonna load. You gonna see hire Africans top software talent. If you have a skill on machine learning, artificial intelligence, UI design, and other tech skills, scroll up and click on build your product to start listing your skills and make money. These are the 4 freelance sites that pay directly to your bank account with low transaction fee. I hope you gain value out this video. If you did, do subscribe and turn on notification bell, so you will get notified whenever I have new strategy to make money online, and also be the first to make the most money. Thank you for watching.